Hello, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another video. Now today I'll be showing you how to make some Jamaican style rice and peas. Let's get started. So here I have my peas. I'm just going to go ahead and wash these up. These are kidney beans, but we just call them peas in Jamaica because the name of the dish is rice and peas. So I'm just going to go ahead and wash these up. Of course, I'm using the round red, but if you have the kidney beans, you could go ahead and use that as well. And now that my peas is nice and clean, I'm just going to get some water and start cooking. So to my pot, I'm just going to go ahead and add some salt, some garlic, and some pimento seed. Now the salt is just to flavor the peas a bit. I might add more while cooking. Now it's time for me to add my coconut milk. Now if you have fresh coconut milk or the powdered coconut milk, anyone works best. You just want to make sure that it's a savory coconut milk. And the reason why I add the coconut milk that early is to allow the oils from the coconut to release in the rice and peas, and the longer the coconut milk cooks, that's how you get the natural oils from it, and you don't really necessarily have to add any butter or anything else. Now that my peas is almost cooked, I'm just going to go in with some thyme, scallion, and scotch bonnet pepper, a little bit more salt if needed, and just a tablespoon of sugar. And now for the sugar is not to sweeten the rice and peas, it's just to give it a balanced flavor. You don't even taste the sugar in there. And I went ahead and add a little bit more salt. You want to taste as you go along to your liking and make sure that your salt level is on point. Now I'm just going to go ahead and wash up my rice. I use all different types of rice to cook my rice and peas, but today I'll be using the original white rice. I did a method where I use the basmati rice, and somebody requested that I do it with regular white rice. So I'm just going to wash the rice until the water runs clear. Then I'm going to catch a little bit of water in it and let it sit for about 20 minutes. Then I drain that water and add it to the pot. Now when you soak your rice it allows some of the starch to come out and make for a fluffier rice. Now I'm just going to go ahead and add my rice to my pot, and as you can see, the oils on top, that's from cooking the coconut milk as long as I did. So I'm just going to go in with my rice, give it a good mix to distribute the peas throughout the rice, and then I'm just going to turn the flame down right away so we don't burn the rice. And that's basically it, guys. And when you add your rice to your water, you want to make sure that you can at least see a couple grains through the top of the water, or if you're using at least 3 cups of rice, you need to have 6 cups of liquid. Now I'm just going to go ahead and remove these thyme sprig, give my rice a lift, and then allow it to steam for additional 10 to 15 minutes on the lowest setting. That's basically it, guys. Your nice rice and peas is ready, and this is how you achieve some fluffy rice and peas using the regular white rice. Now guys, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below if you have any questions. Share it and let me know what you think about this recipe, and let me know down in the comment section how you cook your rice and peas. That's it, my beautiful people. It's that quick, simple, and easy. Now I'm just going to add back my pepper to the top, cover, and allow it to steam. Now this pot seals the steam, so you don't really need another one. And that's it, all done. This was actually my Sunday dinner, and let me show you how I serve mine up. I did pair this with some garlic roast chicken. I have a video on that on the channel. You could go ahead and check it out. Some fresh vegetables on the side, cucumber and tomatoes. That's it.